Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see the old phone WhatsApp transfer. So you can transfer your WhatsApp chats from old phone to new phones very easily. So guys, let's begin. So as you guys can see, here is the old phone WhatsApp transfer, and here you can directly transfer your WhatsApp and WhatsApp business chats and backups and everything data to your new phone. You can view and backup and restore the WhatsApp data on both iOS and Android, and you can do the backup of the Viber, Line and Kik and WeChat also, and it is compatible with the iPadOS and Android 11. So you can transfer WhatsApp chats directly to the new phone. Here all backups are kept fine. It is free storage. You can view your backup. It is safe and efficient. Restore without resetting or uninstalling, and it can also restore lost data from old backups. So yes, now let's just download this software. Just click here and download the software. I had already downloaded. Here is the setup. This is the setup. Just double click on the setup and install the software. This will take a bit of time to install, so just wait till it installs the software. So there has been an issue of transferring chats between iPhone and Android. So using this software, you can transfer all the iPhone chats to Android or from Android to iPhone if you are switching between the OSs, if you are buying a new Android phone or new iPhone. So yes, this software will come helpful to you in those kind of situations. So now just click on start. After the installation is complete, click on start. Now this will download the required driver. This will also take a bit, so just to wait. Okay, so after the app is started and the driver downloads have been done, then just click on whatever the app you want. Just click on WhatsApp here, as we want WhatsApp. So you can transfer the WhatsApp data between iOS and Android devices. So now just connect a device. So as you can see here, I have connected the device and it has been located. Now you have to connect another device. As you can see, MTP is ready. Now you can click on transfer, but you have to please connect two devices at least. So you have to connect the another device also here. Okay, so as you can see, currently the device is connected, but it is just not recognizing. So what you need to do is just to go to the phone and you need to turn on the USB debugging. So to turn on USB debugging, just open your phone, go to the settings app. In this system, here you will be able to see developer options, and if you are not able to see this option, the developer option, then go back to the about phone and click on build number 5 to 6 times, and then the developer option will be turned on. And if you are using an Xiaomi phone or MIUI, then just click on MIUI version 5 to 6 times to turn on the developer options. Now go to the developer options, go down, and you will be able to see the option USB debugging. As soon as you turn on the USB debugging option, you can see on the computer the device has been detected, and now you can transfer the chats. So after this, you can just click on transfer and here just click on continue. Now the WhatsApp history will be just transferred. WhatsApp chats, data, everything will be transferred from Redmi Note 3 to the Poco X2. So now after this step, you can either create a new backup or you can select the backup from the history. Here I will select the backup from history. Just select the latest backup which you have done. Just select it and click on continue. Now this will get the WhatsApp data from the source device, which is Redmi Note 3, and after it is complete, this will transfer the data to the target device, which is the Poco X2. So yeah, this is done, and as you can see here, the transfer is successful. And now you just need to enter the phone number, same phone number which is on the Redmi Note 3 in the Poco X2, and just select the backup, and all your data will be on the Poco X2. All the chats and everything will be from the Redmi Note 3 to Poco X2. So this is not that much helpful in Android device, But if you want to transfer the chats from Android to iOS, then this software becomes very helpful. This transfer here is not available for free. You need to buy the full WhatsApp Transfer Pro version. So these are some prices, and for 1 year it's $40. So yeah. So if you want to transfer your data from Android to iPhone or from iPhone to Android, the WhatsApp chats and everything, then this alt phone just comes helpful to you. So yeah, that is it for now. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit the like button. If you are new to this channel, then please guys subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section below or in the Telegram group. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, stay safe, have fun, and bye.